Welcome to UEM Studios. My name is Chaz. Today I am going to be unboxing this beautiful large, let me see if you guys can, large, extra large. Hey, up here. This thing is huge, right? That's what she said. I know. This Elgato extra large green screen set that I got off of Amazon. It's a great big buy. So yeah, today we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy and I guess show you how to set it up. It'll be my first time setting it up, so let's do it together. Obviously, the first thing you're gonna need is a pair of scissors. With these scissors, you cut these bad boys up like so. And if you can, just get scissors that actually work, not the 25-cent scissors. They work for other things, like paper, but not like this type of stuff. God damn scissors. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut this up with the bad boy here. Yeah, so these beautiful 99-cent little scissors right here will definitely do the trick as long as you force it in there. Yeah, so the last green screen that I owned, I still have it, but it was a $20 cheap green screen from Amazon, and technically it wasn't suitable for what I wanted, only because it was a hassle to having to disassemble it and assemble it back up, disassemble it and assemble it back up, because space is limited, especially if you have a house that's or a room that you're basically having as a content creator room. You're going to go ahead and you're going to need as much space as you possibly can. And it just got tiring because a lot of times I do green screen activities, and within these green screen activities that I do, you go downstairs or come back upstairs to my office, and it gets tiring to have to disassemble it and then assemble it again. So instead of doing all that, I just said, what is a better way to just lift up and put back down, right? Elgato. All right, now we're going to open this bad boy up, show you guys. Woos. All right, so now straight off the back, you can see this bad boy right here. Hold on, because you really can't see it because this damn thing wants to go ahead and say, no, I want to see your face. Center it. Thank you. Center. It's centered. Yes. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to go open this bad boy. Ooh. Now, this is pretty damn good. Packaging-wise, it's really good. I love the foam aspect on here because it keeps everything intact, which is something you always want, to have everything intact. Sometimes the packages don't come the way they're supposed to be coming, and they come all discombobulated or all over the place. Thankfully, this isn't the case with this one, so I don't have to write a bad review. All right, so with this little bad boy here, little, such an understatement, we're going to go ahead and lift this up from the middle. There's a little middle part here, which I'm going to show you guys here. There's this middle part right on this section where you can just grab it, lift it up, and then pull it out of there. Take this bad boy, pull it out of here, and it's actually, the box is a lot bigger than the green screen. Now that I'm looking at it, the box is 20 times bigger than the green screen. But I guess it's good because that's how you need to package it anyway, to get the foam and everything else in there. And it's pretty lightweight. One hand is all you need just to lift this bad boy up. So you can see the aesthetics are really beautiful. Holly looks like I'm about to shoot you guys. Sorry, didn't mean to. But yes, it's actually good. I love how it looks. Lift it up with one hand. Mind you, I had surgery on this hand, so that's another thing. We're gonna go ahead and take these foams off. Take this off. Take this foam in the middle off. Take this one out. Right here in the middle, well, next to the middle. This comes with a lot of good foam. All right. Just in case you need to have extra foam. Who needs extra foam in their house, right? This guy. All right, so now that we've taken everything out, all the foam is off. Now it's the moment of truth. I'll be back. Bum, 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 bum. Now that we have the two legs all set up, there's a blue clamp in the back, which I'll show you how to pull that out. And obviously you do have the instructions inside the box, which I need to go grab. So we have the instruction booklet right here, green screen XL, and we're gonna read together. Rotate the 2 feet by 90 degrees, which is exactly what we did in the first part. Second step is lift the pole from its clamp and start pulling to the side, which is what we're about to do right now. And bring the pole into a vertical position and then push it down. All right, that's step 3. Now to get started, we will have to release the locking lever and extend the pole to its desired length. Push the lever back down to secure the pole to a ready position. Press the locking button and use the handle to raise the screen. Place the handle in the holder. All right, so let's do a little speed run. Okay, I just disassembled it, put it back up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do it all over again. Show you guys how fast it is. Legs. Once you do the legs, lift this up. Okay, lift that up to your desired preference. I'm just going to do it halfway here, and you just go ahead and push this in, blue button in from the middle, lift up, and hook on. That's all you got to do. Voila! Pretty damn good. Pretty fast. And to disassemble it really quick, just lift it up. It goes right back down. Once you hear that clamp, that means it's good. All right, so you lift this blue button thing back up, just let it slide all the way down, close it, lift up, pull, push down, and that's it. It's freaking magic. Back to you, Chaz. Just to give you guys an example of how this looks. As you can see, it's pretty damn tall. I am 5'9", believe it or not. Okay, maybe 5'8". Okay, 5'9". And I got this thing leaves me, hold on, let me look how much more space I have from me to everything else. And it also stretches out enough for my arms, so that way, if you're doing one of those videos, hold on, okay, let me show you guys how far length my arms are. And I do have pretty long arms. So this thing, you know, you can tell this is pretty damn spacious. And it leaves room for 2 individuals, which is great. Hi, how are you? Doing great. Good to see you. Good to see you too. So you get a lot of good lengthy experiment to work on. You know, you have a plethora of things to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys around. All right, I'm going to take you guys around the back and show you guys how it looks back here. As you can see, the setup is beautiful. This is the lever right here that once you lift it, it will close automatically down. So you have to be careful not to touch that. You want to pull this first over it. You would have to pull this over it for it to come back down, sliding, and then do this. But yeah, this is my little setup. Excuse the little mess here, but yeah, this is my little setup. Yeah, this is where I will be practically working from, shooting my little videos and stuff like that. Usually what I want to do for these types of green screens, these tall green screens, basically for content creation and for streaming, because I do a lot of content creation on my other channels, so I'll link those guys. I'll link those bad boys down there in the little description in the bottom. And yeah, follow me for some more content coming up soon. I'm sorry, I'm wired. I just had like a G Fuel for the first time. And damn, pretty freaking wired right now. Oof. Losing breath. Might collapse pretty soon. But yeah, this is the Elgato extra large green screen. Thank you guys for this unboxing with me. And yeah, stay tuned for more. I'm wired. Stay tuned for more wired content. It's gonna be a plethora of oh my gods. Maybe I should, let me put something in the background here just to test it out, you know, just to shimmy it up, just to like, I'm here and I'm also here and I'm here again. Well, there's a lot of shadows in the background because I'm causing a lot of shadows, so don't worry about that. But I know for a fact it's gonna work for what you want. I just don't have my lights on like super beaming high, you know. But yeah, my name is Chaz. Thank you guys for tuning in and keep creating. No, seriously, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Elgato, if you're watching this. Elgato.